Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're back at it at the BEETLE Volkswagen. So pretty much today we're going to start doing the body work and finding all those dents and scratches, getting all the mud on there. So we're going to put body filler all over the body. We're going to probably detrim everything, take off the little chrome pieces, probably take off everything that needs to be taken off for paint work. So hopefully today we're going to knock out all the body work. I'm pretty excited because after the body work's done, it's time to paint. And after we paint, we assemble and we can enjoy this car. Because summer's right here already. We can drive this thing with no AC, windows down, go to a car show. So let's get to it. Let's get straight to work and start putting some body filler down.
Alright guys, I'm going to help Ivan detrim this thing, get the handle off, get it ready for paint. But before we do that, I want to talk about today's video sponsor, Avalon King Ceramic Coating. Avalon King Ceramic Coating offers a product called Armor Shield 9. This is a pretty small package, but it does a whole lot. Armor Shield 9 utilizes the latest nanotechnology or scratch-resistant ceramic coating, which forms a glass-like protective layer above your paint. This layer protects your car from mud, scratches, bird dropping, rain, and just all the natural elements that you face outside. So let's go ahead and apply this to our Mustang. Just like our BEETLE, our Mustang's pretty old, so that paint could definitely use some protective layer on it. So first step is pretty simple, just go ahead and wash it, get it cleaned up. We want to get rid of all the dirt, debris on it, and just let it sit outside so it dries up so there's no water on it. Next, we're actually going to put this in the paint booth. That way we don't get any more dust on it, so we kind of keep it isolated, we're not getting a breeze and a bunch of dirt getting blown into it. So we'll work on it in the paint booth. That way we're a controlled environment. So applying it is a very simple process. First you just get it clean, wipe it down, make sure there's no debris. This is what you get inside the box. You get the bottle armor shield itself, application sponge, you get the little rags for it, some gloves and everything, and the microfiber buffing towel. Pretty cool. Oh yeah, this thing is definitely gonna make it look sweet. I'm excited for it, and applying it, you could already see a difference to it. So basically, on your car, the ceramic coating is gonna fill in those little crevices, all the little gaps, making it super smooth, giving that more glossy look, and protecting it from all the debris and all the environmental stuff out there. Armor Shield 9 is like a crazy wax that you just apply to your car. It leaves a glass-like shine, and it's super easy to clean up and maintain. You'll be able to protect your car from the elements for about 2 to 5 years. This ceramic coating is extremely easy to apply. Designed for hobbyists, and car enthusiasts, trusted by professionals. You can cover all the hard surfaces of your vehicle, including windows, lights, plastics, and chrome. The nanotechnology seals all surface pores and cures to a hardened, glossy shield. The kit includes everything you need to achieve a professional finish that typically costs over $1,000. And just like that, our Mustang is done, it is coated, it's protected, and it is looking amazing. I'm really happy with the results, and it honestly wasn't too bad to apply. First time with us using the ceramic coating, and like I said, pretty simple, and we got it done. But make sure you guys check out their website down below. We'll leave all the information. Give it a try, we highly recommend it. But man, I gotta get back to that Volkswagen. Ivan's going at it, he's getting it done. I had a great time with the ceramic coating, but let's go ahead and jump back to the Beetle.
All right, so there we have it. We've been grinding, everything's looking really good. We got the little pinstripes removed, so that's really nice. The hood's removed. Then we got this fender. We have a little bit of damage right here. I dollied it out, so it's looking pretty good. We're gonna put some body filler on that. Also, we're gonna put a little bit of body filler right here, right there, and the little seams that we did, and also that, so we can get ready for primer. So let's keep sanding. right, so there we have it. It's looking really good. I think we're ready for primer. So we also fixed this bottom dent. It's looking really good. We're gonna primer that. Also, we wanna primer this whole wheel well, the whole edge, anywhere we have metal showing, and this whole tub in the front. We're gonna primer everything. Also, we're gonna primer the hood, the fender, and the other fender that we replaced. We're gonna block them. We're gonna make them sure everything's nice and good. So let's start taping and putting some primer down. All right, so just like that, we got it primered. It's looking really good. We got even the front primered. So pretty much it's getting pretty late. We're gonna catch you guys in the morning, and then we're gonna come in and hopefully sand it down and maybe paint this inner well, because we can put the suspension back on. But I'm pretty happy with it. Turned out really nice. I'll catch you guys in the morning. All right, so we came in this morning, we got it untaped, and then we also put it on the dolly because we want to start wet sanding and we want to paint the inside. So the dolly worked really well, which is really happy. We can roll it around probably in the paint booth. So let's start sanding this part, and we might sand inside there. And we also want to sand inside the hood. So we're gonna jam all that out so when we can paint everything together. So let's get straight to work. All right, so we got the bug inside the paint booth. What I want to do is mask off this. So we're going to tape that up so we're not going to get any paint in there. And then we're going to mask off some of that so we can paint this whole side. We're going to paint the tub and just blend it on this side. Also, I want to paint just this part so we can put the suspension on and then we can have it rolling a lot better, even though this rolls really good, but we'll still do it. And the next thing I want to do is also paint inside the hood. So let's start taping everything up and get ready for paint. All right guys, so just like that, we got this thing painted. It's looking really good. I'm really happy with it. Unfortunately, that's all the time we have for this episode. Next time, we're gonna pretty much hopefully sand the rest of the car down and paint everything else, and that's gonna take a lot of time. But really quick, this wheel well is looking really good. It's matching. I think the color at the paint store definitely matched it really well, and I'm really happy about that. So we're gonna blend it through the whole car. We'll probably have to paint the whole car to make it match really good, nice and easy, and still fix a couple little rock chips in it. But I'm super excited about this build. Before we know it, we're gonna be driving it. So leave us a comment down below what you guys think of the build so far, anything else we should do to this build, and we'll catch you guys next time.